Welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly. That means 28th of November. And first of all, national news. Ahmedabad bound Air India plane land back in Delhi after smoke indication. Two coaches of passenger train derail in Jharkhand, damage overhead pole. Telangana court warned IAS officer of non-bailable warrant over contempt case. To replicate Tirumala temple in Amravati, Chandrababu Naidu's rupees 250 crore plan. After Karur's stampede, court asked Tamil Nadu to simplify norms for Kerala's big move against drivers who violate zebra crossing rules. And Odisha withhold salaries of 91 senior officers over unresolved. And now some international news. United Arab Emirates halted visas for Pakistanis amid rising cases of begging and crime. Pope Leo XIV visited Turkey on first foreign trip of his papacy. Putin called Zelensky's leadership illegitimate, says peace deal. Non-Europeans to pay 45% more to visit Louvre next year. Museum. France announced voluntary military service amid growing threats. And now some sports news. The Women's Premier League 2026 auction has come to an end. India lost to South Africa 2-0 in a two-test series at home. Deepti Sharma made history, sold for whopping rupees 3.2 crore. News related to business. Sensex and Nifty hit all-time high. Markets are rising. Indian markets at all-time high despite US trade deal limbo. And that's all in news. Thank you.